If you want to learn how to make this amazing tiger's claw, watch till the end. First we need A4 size paper. Cut in half. Now let's start folding. Step 1. Fold in half. Open. Second step. Third step, do the same on the other side. Step 4. Step number 5. Turn. Step number 6. Step number 7. Step number 8. Step number 9. Step number 10. Turn. Step number 11. Turn. Step number 12. Step number 13. Insert. This serves as lock. Now our first claw is done. We need 5 of this. Now let's try out. Now your tiger's claw is done. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.